Well, that kind of sucks. Okay, well, hello YouTube. This is my, want to say probably around 1980s, 1990s Fedders 10,000 BTU window air conditioner. This was a trash find. I was going to take the front off of it so that we could take a look at the tag, but, well, looks like we're going to be looking for a new selector switch. Right now it's off. Let's turn it up. This is a very quiet unit for the size that it is, and it cools much better than any current 10,000 BTU unit. I had this down in the living room before I put the air temp in there. The front of it does say Hunter because the grill for this one was basically breaking into pieces, and I had found, well, a Hunter. It was a 6,000 BTU unit. Thankfully I had the front of it off of it because it was stolen out of my driveway. The front from the Hunter went on here. The only problem is this one originally had a small slider for the vent, whereas the Hunter had a knob. And, well, I think that's kind of pointless anyway. Those vents that they have on the air conditioner, I don't really understand their purpose. But, so, this one is closed and the little tab is just kind of pushed down behind the front. But there we go. I'll cut to a shot. I'll have to get my infrared thermometer. I'll cut to a shot of that, and thanks for watching.